Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to design your own journal. I'm going to be starting with a manuscript book that I have here. It's A5. So what we're going to be doing is starting with the cover. Now what you can do is use newspaper, wrapping paper, extra covers. In this video I'm going to be using wrapping paper that I've had for a long time. And as you can see here, I'm cutting the paper and I'm just gonna be covering my book as I'm showing you, and I'm just covering it the way that I normally cover my school books, but you can use whatever you have on hand. You can use sellotape or anything else, and yeah. A pro tip also is to just press down with your fingernail or with a ruler to make sure that the glue kind of sticks. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this scene. I'll just let you guys see what I'm doing here. And now we're going to be making the bookmark. I just took extra fabric that I've had for a long time from one of my school projects, but you can use anything that you want. Right now I'm just taking glue and I'm making sure that it sticks well so that I don't make any mistakes. Yeah, and then now we're just going to be using a stapler because I was really struggling and I just wanted to absolutely make sure that it does not come off. And pretty much at this point you can be done if you want to, but now we're starting with the cover. And right now we're just gonna be using some old sketch paper that I've had for a long time because I don't normally sketch in my sketchbooks like I'm supposed to. And we're just gonna cut this right now and put it on our book, but you can use anything that you want to use, watercolor paper or just normal paper, anything that's gonna make it feel more like you. And here is the point of customization. Now at this point you can just take off and do whatever you want to do creatively on your cover. But yeah, the opportunities and the ideas are pretty much endless. You can even make it a 3D cover. You can do anything that you want. That is the most important thing. And yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys if you want to see for inspiration. Yeah, but if you don't want to copy exactly what I'm doing, then you can do whatever and just keep my video playing in the background, and I'll see you guys in the outro. But yeah guys, pretty much you can just keep my video playing in the background while you're making yours, and yeah, I will see you guys in the outro. So guys, as I said earlier, I'm meeting you here in the outro. This is the final result. I'm actually really proud of it because, to be honest, this is the first time I'm making a journal and I'm so proud of it. I just kind of explored and I wasn't too strict on anything. I just wanted it to feel like me, and I wanted it to feel like it was gonna benefit me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and yeah, next week I'm also going to be showing you guys another journal to give you some more inspiration. And yeah, I really hope you loved it. Thank you so much.